Watch this video and learn how to draw Hello Kitty!
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, Artie!
Yeah.
Are you in a good mood, Artie?
Artie in a very good mood.
Are you ready to do a drawing?
Yeah.
Should we do Hello Kitty?
Okay. Artie make art. Okay.
Mikey, Betty,
Oh, hey everybody.
are you ready? Okay, let's get drawing Hello Kitty. You draw along with us, little artists, and if you need to catch up, just stop the video for a second. Okay, we're starting with a little flower. Artie's drawn a small circle, and now he's drawing the petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little petals.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
Now we're going to draw a big, smiley-shaped curve at the bottom underneath the flower. Let's go up a little bit at the right side and draw an ear that connects to the flower. Kitties have cute little pointy ears. Let's go across the top to the left side and do the left ear. And now connect the bottom of the ear to the bottom of the face.
Yes. Guess what, Betty? It's a marker day.
Again?
Mikey loves when Artie uses his marker pens. On the left-hand side, let's draw Hello Kitty's paw. Do the same on the right-hand side and try and match it as closely as you can to what you did on the left side. Dance break. Okay, it looks like Artie wants a dance break. Okay, Artie, off you go.
He's never out of step. Come on, little artists. Let's all dance.
You know, he's really quite incredible, isn't he? I give it a 10.
Hey, the dance break's over. What are we gonna do now?
We're going to get back to the drawing, Mikey. Now do a nice curve on the left and hook in at the bottom. Same on the right, curve down and then a little hook in. Now let's join the two pieces together with a sort of squashed letter W. This is going to make Hello Kitty's feet. Go all the way across with another smiley-shaped curve. That's right, Artie. And a straight line up, and now we see the two legs. Let's do a half circle shape at the top. This is the collar of Hello Kitty's shirt. Ooh, let's add a sleeve on the right.
Don't you think that looks fantastic, Betty?
I do, Mikey.
Okay, it's time for eyes. Let's do two little oval shapes and colour them in so that they're completely black. Left one first. And now let's do the right one. Try and match it to the left as closely as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. That's very good, Artie. Time for Hello Kitty's little nose. Do another oval, but don't colour this one in. We're going to colour it in later. What are you doing there, Artie?
Whiskers.
Oh, of course. Cats have whiskers, especially Hello Kitty. That's right. Do the same on the left-hand side. Your little Hello Kitty's looking very cute, Artie.
Yeah.
It looks really good. Do you think it's finished?
Yeah.
You're very talented, Artie.
Oh.
It looks wonderful, Artie.
But it could use some color.
Are you happy with the way it turned out? I agree. It's a very cute little Hello Kitty. Great job.
Great job, Artie.
Just wonderful.
Well, little artists, we hope you followed along with Artie, and we hope you have an Artie day. Bye-bye.
Bye.